guys, thank you guys for stopping by once again. Today I don't know what I'm gonna do with this area in my garden, but I need to get it together. I have no plan in place. I'm just gonna go with the flow, guys. Honestly, it looks a hot mess and I need to get it together. It's my fault. I take the blame. I let it get away from me and now I just gotta fix it, right? So today I have some plants that I'm trying to get in the ground and this area that really need to get taken care of. Now I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys the plants that I have and just go with the flow, because honestly I don't know what I'm doing. It's like I took some time off and now my brain, my creativity is just frozen. It's just not there. So I'm just going to play around with these plants, play in some dirt and see what happens. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what I think I have planned. So these are the plants that I have, some of them, and I think I'll try to work in here. So this right here is a sweet summer hydrangea. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't have this, and this is new to me. This company called Star, they're the one who makes the knockout roses. I'm surprised they have hydrangeas. I never knew they had hydrangeas. I think this is new this year. If I'm wrong, you can correct me. And then we have some daisies. These are just some Shasta daisies. And these are some salvias I found on clearance today for $2. $2. And I have some annuals. These don't have a tag. I honestly don't remember the name of these. But I have those. I also have a purple fountain grass, which is an annual, just to tuck it in and give me like a whimsical look. And right here we have a coneflower. So that's it. It's a small space and I don't want to do too much, but at the same time I want to make a statement. Okay guys, so this is the area right here. Everything you see right in here, this is the area. It's not that big of a space, but it's a decent size where I can pack it out with plants. This is a part of my herbaceous border. This was in my previous video, the last video. I did a garden tour. If you haven't seen that, just go ahead and check that out. And if you are not subscribed, you might as well just go ahead and click the subscription button, guys. So this is the area. I have a hydrangea that I picked up this morning. I know it's an obsession of mine. I already have, I think, 11 so far, if I'm counting correctly. And I think I want to pop it right in this bed, right beside my quickfire hydrangea. Now, how gorgeous is this? It's in full bloom. This is gorgeous. And it's already starting to change color, guys. Look right there. You probably can't see it because it's so bright. The sun is out and everything is just so bright. But this is my quickfire hydrangea. She is just gorgeous. Okay, so right here is what I have planned. So I have two black-eyed Susans right here. There's one right here and one right here. I don't know if I want to take them out and put them somewhere else or just get rid of them. I don't know. So I'm just gonna set my tripod up and just start. Okay guys, so I'm oily. I'm sweating like crazy. It's so humid today. But I cleaned out the area. Whew, these bugs. I cleaned out the area and I took the Shasta daisy. Oh, not the Shasta daisies. I'm off my game today. I'm so off my game today. I took out the black-eyed Susans and I put them to the side. I don't know if I'm going to reuse them in that area. I'm going to put them somewhere else. I haven't decided yet. So what I'm going to do, I have real heavy clay soil. So I'm going to amend the soil with some compost. I don't have any gypsum on hand right now. I ran out, so I need to re-up on that. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what I have so far. This is what I have. I have a blank slate right now. And I'm just going to lay the plants out and see what works and what doesn't work and what I like. Now, since it's the first year, I'm gonna kind of pack it in. The hydrangea gets about 5 to 6 feet in height and width, so it's gonna take up this whole area if you let it. So for the first season, it won't get that big, so I'm just gonna pack it in with color and all the flowers that I like. And then next year I will slowly, you know, add less and less plants once the hydrangea gets to the size of my liking. So I'm going to add the compost to amend the soil, and then I'm gonna lay everything out and start to plant. Alright guys, so this is the layout that I have so far. So I have the hydrangea as my middle piece. This will be my focal point, and then I put an echinacea right here in the back. This get about 24 inches tall, and right in front I have a Shasta daisy that only get 18 inches tall, so that's a nice little layer. They won't compete for height. And right in the front I just cannot remember the names of these. If you guys remember the names, please leave them in the comment below. I think these only get about 10 to 12 inches tall, so I'm just going to pop these in the front for some color. And right here, I know the space look tight because purple fountain grass, they get really big, but I'm just going to pop it in the ground anyway right here just to fill in that gap. Alright guys, so this is the finished product for now. I have the Shasta daisy right there, and in the back right here, right there, I have my coneflower echinacea, and in the front I have 3 annuals. And I know these two look a little bit close towards each other, but that's fine, they're annuals. If anything, I could just pull it out later. And I had a Super Tunia bubblegum left over from one of my last projects, so I just popped it in right there to fill in that gap. And my purple fountain grass right there. Now this hydrangea, if I haven't told you guys already, is by, let me get the tag. Here's a tag if you guys want to do some research, and yes, the price is on there. And I know I said I never ever pay full price for something unless I really want it, and I really wanted this hydrangea, so I paid just about 2 cents shorts, yep, $24.98, $25 for this hydrangea. All the information you need is on the front. I don't know why everything is not showing up, but there you go. This is beautiful. And we all know purple fountain grass get really huge, so it will fill in this area. And the next season, by next season, the hydrangea should put on some growth to fill in and take up this area. So I didn't use the black eye Suzannes. They're here, like, oops, there's flies everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see, but they are right there. I need to find somewhere to put them. I'm gonna put them in my herbaceous border somewhere, but it's about to rain, so I'm about to wrap this video up. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and click that subscription button. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, I think you should follow me on Instagram. I will leave the name somewhere right here. You can follow me at GardenAddictz with a Z. And until next time, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.